Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing an astute investment opportunity that seamlessly merges opulent living with the allure of a lucrative Airbnb-style arrangement. This remarkable property, already fully leased, stands as a testament to its income-generating potential, awaiting savvy investors to seize this deal. Nestled on the periphery of a coastal community in Blue Lagoon, St. Catherine, this 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom residence transcends the definition of a mere home. It is a lucrative venture poised to unfold. The panoramic sea views serve as a breathtaking backdrop, setting the scene for a distinctive and unforgettable guest experience. Whether catering to families in search of a beachside retreat or individuals yearning for a tranquil escape, this residence accommodates a diverse array of travelers, conveniently located within walking distance from the beach. For those with an entrepreneurial flair, this property offers an exhilarating opportunity to enter the thriving short-term rental market. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.